Hello friends, welcome to CSOP Space. Today in this video session, we will discuss about the JWT authentications in Minimal API .NET 6. So let's start. We open our Visual Studio, and here I already create one sample project for Minimal API project, and this is the automatically added files that we added while choosing the Minimal APIs. So first of all, we need to add NuGet packages for that JWT. So this is the command where we can edit. You can choose this package manager consoles or by using manage NuGet packages. We have both options to add that JWT. So I here have paste that install command and then press enter. Now this will edit successfully in this project. So now we go to our program.cs file, program.cs, and this is the uh, default weather APIs that is added when we choose minimal API. So we remove that, and this also need to remove this. So we before writing APIs, so firstly need to add some configurations in a setting.json. So here need to add one more tags like JWT, and here we add issuers like issuer. Then here we provide any issuers, like I'm providing uh, my blogs, that is widegeeks.com. You can use any blog address to here. It's the issuer, and then is the audience. Here I am providing same audience here, and then we provide a key, like I am writing a C sharp space minimal API. Now we go to this program.cs, and first of all need to add some more namespaces that support JWT authentications. So firstly add like using Microsoft dot ASP.NET Core dot is authentication dot JWT bearer, and then using Microsoft Microsoft dot ASP.NET Core dot authorization, and then using Microsoft dot identity model dot tokens, and then using Microsoft dot OpenAPI. We use here OpenAPI, so it's models. Then using system dot uh, its identity model, system dot identity model dot tokens dot JWT, and then using system dot security dot claims, and then using system dot text. For encoding system products is text is necessary for that. And after this we add configurations here or authentications. So I added here. Here we add authentication inside these services. It's like a builder dot add authorizations, add authentications, builder dot services dot add authentications, and here we set the options is lambda operations, and then here we set options dot default authentication scheme is equal to JWT defaults. So JWT bearer defaults dot authentication scheme, and then options dot default challenge scheme, and then options dot default scheme is equal to JWT authentication scheme, and then we added here add JWT bearers O then lambda expressions, and then O dot token validations parameters is equal to new token parameters, and here then we provide a valid issuer equal to builder dot configurations. We fetch this information from this configurations file. So issuer information get from here dot, then here we provide a key. Our key is that JWT dot issuer. So I write it here JWT then issuers, and then we provide a valid audience is equal to builder dot configurations, then here it's JWT colon, then we provide here audience is this, then issuer signing key is equal to new symmetric security key, and then it's encoding dot UTF-8 dot get bytes, then we get the builder dot configurations, and then here we provide that key. So JWT colon key. I think something is wrong here. It's a valid audience. Here a mistake, added a valid audience. Previously added a validate audience. That's not good. Now we add a valid issuer, valid issuers. So it's valid issuers equal to true. We set that as a true, and then validate validate audience. So it's validate audience. Validate audience is equal to true, and then validate lifetime. So validate lifetime equal to false. Like I have no need to check here for. You can set your token expiration time. So you can set it here, and then validate signing key. Validate issuer signing key equal to true, and then we add a builder dot services dot add authorizations. So also need to add authorizations for here, because we previously add here authentications. Then also need to authorize users, who is so user is authorized to access that resource. Now we add one more API for creating a token based on their user ID and password. So first of all, I will need to create one more model class for username and password. So I add a class to here. So I added one more class like name as a user, and here no need for namespaces. So I remove this. So first property we edit like a username, and then string, and then another one is password. Now we go to our program.cs file, and here I will create a one more API. It's add dot app dot map post something app. We need to write this after declaration. So app dot map post. So because this is as accepting a username and password as a post method, and then here we provide their API path. Like I'm providing here, it's security as create token, and then here we 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 access that method anonymously, because here we need to pass a username and password. So I write this here, it's allow anonymous, and then lambda expressions, and then here we provide like we validate username password is valid or not. So here I check it that user dot username equal to, here I provided a username and password is hard coded. In your real applications, you can validate this data from your database. So like I'm providing here dummy username and passwords. So it's user dot password, like a user 123, and then where issuer equal to builder dot configurations, and then here we provide issuers from from our ASP setting app setting.json file. It's issuer. So it's a JWT colon issuer, and then we provide audience. Audience is equal to builder dot configuration, and then it's JWT, and then here this is the audience. Is where key equal to encoding. So here we provide that encoded key encoding dot ASCII dot get bytes, and then we provide here key. It's builder dot configuration. So it's JWT colon that key, and then we provide a token descriptor, token like descriptor equal to new security token descriptor, security token descriptor, like we provide a subject equal to new claims identity, and here we provide a claim status, claims, here new claim is equal to bracket, and firstly we provide like ID, something unique for that ID, like I am here provide a GUID dot new GUID, and then new claim, and it's like a JWT register claim names dot sub. Here we subject as user dot username, and then new claim JWT registered claims dot email, and then here we provide a user dot username, like I am provide same username in email sections also. So new, and then JWT starts claim name dot JTI, and then here we provide a GUID dot new GUID, and now here we provide expires, like here I have here we not validate this expiration time, so simply provide any time like UTC now dot add minute. I am providing this for 5 minutes, and then issuer equal to issuers, and then so audience, then we provide that variable to here, and then signing, we need to provide signing credentials. So signing credentials equal to new signing credential, and then new new symmetric security key. So here like key, and then security key, and then security algorithm. We provide a security algorithms. But like here I am using a HMSA 512 signatures for this. And now I'm providing a token handler. Token handler is a new JWT security token handler. So it's where token equal to token handler dot create token, then we provide your token descriptor. I think some spelling mismatch, so I add this here, token descriptor, and then it's a JWT token. It's a token handler dot write token, and then here we provide that token, and then where a string token is a token handler dot write token, then that token, and then return results dot OK that string token. And if this not authorized, so if user is not authorized, so here we return result dot result dot unauthorized. Now also need to add here app dot use authentications. We need to add the authentication and authorization services into this app variables. Then app dot use authorization. Now I am adding one sample API for checking these authorizations. So I am adding a map kit like a hello world web API. So I'm thinking this JWT demo, like JWT slash demo, and then in here we return a string is hello world, hello world, and this require authorizations. Now we run this application. So I'm pressing Control F5 to run this application. So this will be run, and by default this Swagger will be called because the default Swagger is configured with the minimal API. So first of all, need to create a token for accessing the demo web API, because without this, if we access that, then this will not display the content for that demo. This will return a response status 401, because this will require a bearer or authenticate this web API. So first of all, here we provide a username and password. So here we provided a username as a user, and it's a 123 that we provided in our code. So click on execute. This will create a token for accessing the web API. In Swagger, here we cannot send that token with header, because we need to change in that Swagger configuration. So I will make a video for how you can change a Swagger for sending a token in a header authorization. So for demo, currently I am using a other tool for testing that API. So I am using that Talend API tester. So first of all, we copy this requested URL and paste it here, and then here we provide authorization header, and then we set this token to here. Like I'm writing, it's a bearer, and then paste this token, then click on send button, and that will return hello world that we provided in our web APIs. It's a hello world. So this is the complete process for JWT tokens in minimal API .NET 6. So if you have any questions, any problems, please write in comment box. I will reply soon. And if you like my videos, so please don't forget to subscribe and click on notification bell. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video session.